Our third example says we have squares. We have how many? We have squares, and of course we have circles there. Then the question says, what is the ratio of squares to circles? What is the ratio of squares to circles? What is the ratio of squares to circles? So we are comparing squares to circles, the number of squares to the number of circles. How many squares do we have? So here they've started with the ratio of squares. So meaning we start with the number of squares. So how many squares do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 squares. 6 squares. We have 6 squares. Then how many circles do we have? So we have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 circles. Now they want us to write the ratio of squares to circles. So we have the numbers, which is 6, 2. So this is the symbol for ratios. Don't forget 6, 2. How many circles? 5. So the ratio of squares to circles, we have 6 to 5. So do we have any number that can go into 6 and 5 without leaving any remainder? No. So meaning we just leave it at this stage. So meaning the circle, the ratio of squares to circles, it is 6 to 5. Let's look at another example. Our fourth example says a classroom of 32 students has 12 girls. A class of 32 students has 12 girls. What is the ratio of girls to boys? So when you look at this question, they have given us the number of girls, but they haven't given us the total number of boys in that classroom. But they have told us the total number of all students in this class. They have said of these 32 students, 12 are girls. So we need to find the number of boys in this class. So 12 are girls. Now we need to find the number of boys in this class. So to find the number of boys, they have given us the number of girls. So it will be 32, which means this is the total number of all the students in this class. And then 12 are girls. So meaning the remainder, when we subtract 12 from 32, what remains is the number of boys. So to find the number of boys, to be 32 minus 12, we find the number of boys. So 2 minus 2, it is 0. Then 3 minus 1, it is 2. So meaning the number of boys, so now we have found number of boys to be 20. So we have 20 boys and 12 and girls 12. We're not done. The question is, what is the ratio of girls to boys? So what is the number of girls? We write the ratio. So number of girls, we have 12 girls to the ratio, which is 20 boys. So here we replace this word 2 with the symbol of ratios. So it will be 12 to 20. 12 to 20. Now here when you look at this, we have 12 to 20. Is there any number that can go into 12 and 20 without leaving any remainder? What number is that? The number that we can use here, let's try 3. 3 into 12, it goes how many times? 4 times. 3 into 20, it leaves a remainder. So meaning we cannot use 3 there. Let's try 4. 4 into 12, 4 into 12, it is 3. Right? Then 4 into 20, does it leave a remainder? No. So 4 into 20, it goes how many times? 5 times. So we found that 4 is the common factor which can go into 12 and 20. So 4 into 12, we have found that it is 3. So our ratio is 3 to 4 into 20, it goes there 5 times. So meaning the ratio of girls to boys in this class, it is 3 to 5. That is the ratio of girls to boys in this class. So that was our last example. So we're done on ratios. And then keep in mind, don't forget, because a ratio can be written as a fraction, it can be simplified in the similar way by dividing. Here, that's what we did. We divided. Are we clear? We divided both parts by a common factor. So the common factor, we found that a number that can go into 12 and 20, we found it to be 4. So always simplify if it can be simplified. So thank you very much for watching. May the good Lord bless you.